morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let me remind you, this is the only interactive part of the morning, okay? So let's take it from the top once again. Good morning. Can you just give me a sip of water? Sorry, give me 1 second, please. So as much as it may seem like I was interrupting your conversations, trust me, I'm not. I'm simply redirecting it in a different direction. But I must say that thank you so much for not just bringing yourselves here this morning, but for also bringing your energy and your enthusiasm, ma'am, because that is exactly what we need to have a very successful ceremony. And I have absolutely no doubts about that. On behalf of the Leela Palaces, hotels, and resorts, it is my absolute pleasure to be standing here and welcoming all of you. Thank you so much for being here with us. We are very, very pleased to commemorate the listing of the Leela's equity shares on the National Stock Exchange. And in fact, as I'm saying it, I'm just wondering how surreal a moment this could be for each and every one of us here from the Leela. My name is Zenia Fernandez, ladies and gentlemen. And while I'm going to request you to please place your cell phones on the silent mode, let your spirits be absolutely loud and joyful. So everybody, let's begin this morning by putting our hands together in a thunderous round of applause. Come on. Okay, good to go. You know, milestones. There's such an important way, like a mechanism, in fact, of looking back at the past with gratitude, staying in the present with a lot of appreciation, and most importantly, looking at the future with a lot of hope and with a lot of grace. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to celebrate one such milestone for the Leela. But in fact, it's more than just another milestone. I call it a celebration. It's a celebration of legacy, of Indian luxury, of timeless elegance, and most importantly, of Indian hospitality at its very best. In fact, this is where I'm going to go slightly off script and talk about how being present here at this podium right now at this celebration really hits home for me. Do you know why? Because as a globetrotter, every time I walk into a Leela Palace or a resort or a hotel, I feel it. That quiet gasp, that sense of stillness. And it is something which I personally call the unmistakable Leela feeling. A feeling that stays with you long after your stay is over. And as you move through that space, you experience a lot of delicate details like the lingering notes of Tisha, the Leela's signature fragrance, something we're right now experiencing that immediately transforms the space. To me, it evokes calmness. It awakens a sense of joy. It wraps you somehow in a sense of refined luxury. So to speak for a brand that truly resonates with my personal definition of luxury, it is an absolute privilege. So this morning, we're really here to share this very same emotion, to share this precision, this poise, and the privilege of being one part of this wonderful family. We don't just stand for luxury. We stand for what it truly means. Not excess, but excellence. Not noise, but nuance. Not just comfort, but also a connection. And you know why all of this is something that I experience and every single person that walks into Leela experiences is because of you. So can we begin this morning by putting our hands together in a huge round of applause for each and every person here of the Leela family. Thank you for doing what you do. And today, ladies and gentlemen, the Leela enters a brand new chapter as a publicly listed company. We're not just checking another financial milestone. We are here to share this very same feeling with the rest of the world. So before we fast forward into this wonderful ceremony, I want to quickly rewind a little bit. Let's talk about the Leela Palaces Hotels and Resorts, a sole institutionally owned and managed pure play luxury hospitality company in India, and of course sponsored by Brookfield, one of the world's largest alternative asset managers. At the core of the Leela Palaces, Hotels and Resorts is the Leela brand, a leading luxury hospitality brand built over 40 years, 4 decades. Today, in fact, we have a portfolio of 13 operational hotels, 7 hotels in the growth pipeline, which is great news. The Leela really stands tall among the world's finest, ranked the #1 world's best hotel brand in 2020-21. You can keep clapping. This is great news. And among the top 3 globally in 23 and 24 by the Travel and Leisure World's Best Awards. Over 250 global awards is what we've garnered over the last couple of years. And this really reaffirms our commitment to crafting extraordinary guest experiences, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of this beautiful country. Our portfolio comprises of 5 owned hotels, 7 managed hotels, and 1 hotel operated under a franchisee arrangement. Now let's talk about our mission, which is so deeply rooted in Indian hospitality. Atithi Devo Bhava, guest is God. This ethos really is at the heart of our culture. It inspires each and every one of us to deliver intuitively personalized service and excellence that really goes above and beyond expectations. It is this legendary service that truly is what sets us apart. This morning, in fact, if you just pause and look around, you'll see that we have recreated the sensory experience that I've been talking about for the last couple of minutes. From the moment you arrived, you were surrounded by the soulful strains of the music that was playing so beautifully, specially curated by Aman and Ayan Ali Bangash, 7th generation Sarod virtuosos, weaving a soundscape that truly captures the soul of both Indian heritage and luxury. And honestly, at this point, I must say, I can go on and on. That's really how much I'm in love with and rather connected to the brand. But I must also take this opportunity to welcome our esteemed guests who are present here today. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO representing NSC. Sir, welcome this morning. Thank you so much for joining us and gracing this occasion with your presence. We are also honored to have with us the Board of Directors, the leadership team of the Leela. Mr. Deepak Parekh, Chairman and Independent Director. Ms. Apurva Purohit, Independent Director. We're also joined by Ms. Ananya Tripathi, Managing Director, Portfolio Management, Real Estate at Brookfield Asset Management and Non-Executive Director. Also joining us this morning is Mr. Ankur Gupta, Managing Partner, Head of Asia Pacific and Middle East Real Estate, Brookfield and Non-Executive Director. Mr. Ashank Kothari, Managing Director, Investments, Real Estate at Brookfield Asset Management and Non-Executive Director. Also joining us is Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar, Whole-Time Director, Chief Executive Director of the Leela Palaces Hotels and Resorts. And Mr. Ravi Shankar, Head of Asset Management and Chief Financial Officer of the Leela Palaces Hotels and Resorts. We also like to extend a very, very warm welcome to all of our BRLMs, banking partners. Thank you so much for sharing in this journey and for being such an integral part of the success of this IPO. Let's welcome them with a warm round of applause as well. Mr. Vishal Kampani is here with us from JM Financial Limited. Also joining us are teams from BofA Securities India Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited. We also have a team from JP Morgan India Private Limited. Mr. Jay Shankar is here from Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Teams from Axis Capital Limited, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, IIFL Securities Limited, ICICI Securities Limited, Motilal Oswal and SBI Capitals. Huge round of applause. Thank you so much. But exactly how we do it in our country by lighting this beautiful auspicious ceremonial lamp evoking the energies and the blessings of the highest power that we all believe in. The significance of this lamp, so simple but so significant. I'd like to invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, sir, to please join us. Mr. Deepak Parekh, Ms. Apurva Purohit, Mr. Ankur Gupta, Mr. Ashank Kothari, Ms. Ananya Tripathi, Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar, Mr. Vishal Kampani, Mr. Jay Shankar, Mr. Ravi Shankar, and Dr. Harish Ahuja of NSC. Please join us on the dais to light the ceremonial lamp. Applause, requesting all our dignitaries to come towards the lamp for a group photograph. Thank you very much. Thank you so much to all of our dignitaries. A beautiful moment captured perfectly. Thank you for gracing this tradition and for also setting the tone for a new and a very prosperous beginning for the Leela. Let's begin with this auspicious occasion by inviting on stage for our opening remarks Mr. Vishal Kampani, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, GM Financial Limited. Welcome, sir.
A very good morning to all of you here today. On behalf of the Leela Hotels, JM Financial, and all our fellow BR alums, it is my privilege to welcome all of you to this landmark listing ceremony. When I walked into the NSE today, I could literally see and feel I'm walking into a hotel, a palace. Such a welcome change. We've had lots of listing ceremonies here, but never seen this kind of music. So Ashish, some thoughts for you. The Leela clearly stands as a beacon of luxury hospitality in India. We heard it's operating 13 hotels with over 3,500 rooms, 7 more in the making, and continues to redefine Indian luxury hospitality. I've personally been involved for a very long time with this brand and have deep emotional feelings. And this is really a day Ankur and me have been waiting for almost 6 years. This listing marks a significant milestone for the Brookfield Group in India. $30 billion in assets, over 15 years of presence in India, and clearly one of the largest global investors who has supported India's growth. And we feel very proud as JM Financial to have played a pivotal role in this IPO. This 3,500 crore IPO comprised of a 2,500 crore fresh issue of shares and 1,000 crore OFS. The Brookfield Group still retains close to a 76% stake in the company. And despite the geopolitical situations and the war, sort of a war, and what was going on globally in terms of tariffs, this issue has attracted a phenomenal response. I mean, we literally have every single esteemed investor that matters who's in this IPO. So kudos to the management team, all the book runners, all the advisors for actually pulling this through here. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of the advisors, to SEBI, to the exchanges for all of their guidance through this IPO process. We are again very proud having been part of this incredible journey and look forward to many more transactions and deals with the Leela Group. Congratulations once again, and thank you all of you for being here.
Mr. Kambani, thank you so much for talking to us this morning and for setting the tone so perfectly. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute pleasure to invite on stage Mr. Deepak Parekh to share his thoughts with us on this grand occasion. Mr. Parekh, welcome.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here today. I have been associated with Captain Nair 50, 60 years ago. I have seen Captain Nair build his brand together with his two sons. And then it moved on from a family business to an institutional owners, and now it is going public with pension funds, domestic, international shareholders. So I have seen the journey. Captain Nair, incidentally, was a very close friend of my father. And so as children, we used to go to the Bombay Hotel, which was one of the first in that area, even before the Bombay International Airport was built. And the Nair family stays behind the hotel in Bombay, and we used to play in the garden with the two boys. So it is immense pleasure and emotional pleasure I'm getting because of this close association and seeing Brookfield involved with it. And Brookfield is a AAA name, a well-known name in this business all over the world. We have been dealing with Brookfield from the first day they came to Bombay, and I have seen the senior management over the years, and their commitment to India is very strong. They have hotels owned and managed, but you will see in the next 5 years they will take many more hotels, either on management or new ones that are under construction. So I have no doubt, and the hospitality industry in India after a long break is booming, and India, as you know, receives only a fraction of any tourists, but the local Indian tourists are increasing, and you will see more of this staycation and Indian tourists going to our palaces and on holidays. So I am personally very confident that hospitality industry is on the way up, and Leela and with the management of Brookfield and Ankur as it says will do exceptionally well. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Mr. Parekh, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. I can only imagine the emotions that you would be experiencing and the nostalgic value that this moment would really have in your life. Thank you so much for sharing that with us this morning. It is now time to invite on stage Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar, Chief Executive Officer, the Leela Palaces, Hotels and Resorts. Sir, please join us and tell us what you think and feel this morning.
Morning, everyone. Thank you all for being here. It's a great honor and a great privilege. So as she said, what do I think this morning? Wow, it's literally surreal. 5.5 years back when I embarked on this journey, this was like a dream milestone, and today we are all here to commemorate this huge milestone, and what an honor and a privilege as being a custodian. So thank you all once again for being here. I think as Mr. Parekh said, and as our esteemed MC also alluded to, there is very little more that I can speak about the Leela. The brand has been there for 40 years. It was a vision that was brought to life, and over the last 4 decades, the brand has not just established itself as an epitome of true and pure Indian hospitality, it's also recognized as one of the finest luxury brands in the world, consistently and significantly by our travelers. So that's a huge responsibility and a huge accolade to live up to. So today, thank you. Your presence really elevates us as we move into this new milestone into Leela's journey. Over the last 5 years, we have strengthened our ecosystem. We brought in the best of talent. We have re-energized our processes. We introduced technology. We brought in a mindset and an approach. But one thing that remained true for all of us was our focus on excellence, our focus on attention to detail, and most importantly, nurturing what is the soul of Leela. When we say Atithi Deva Bhava, it's not something which we just talk about. It is something that is lived through every interaction with our guests, by every level of our associate. And this is our dharma that we live by. And because of this singular focus on creating this service excellence culture, today Leela is not just recognized as one of the finest luxury brands in the world, it has also resulted in us achieving market-leading performance metrics and returns. We have seen how this translates into the business that we do across all our hotels. We have also seen how that business that we do translates into margin expansion and obviously gives us access to capital under the sponsorship of Brookfield, plus energizes and encourages all of us to be our very best at all the time. Today, as we already know, we have 13 award-winning hotels, and all between our ownership and our managed portfolio. The one singular feature across all our portfolio, whether it's an owned or a managed product here, is all iconic, amazing, hard to replicate destinations and a great aesthetic attention to detail when it comes to service design, asset quality, features, programming. What we have included and strengthened and continue to do so is creating experiences and memories, because we are ultimately in a B2C business where our job is to create that memory, and as somebody alluded to, the after fragrance, the aftertaste, whether it's through our brand activations of Tisha, whether it is Ojasya, our wellness program, or our Leela Palace services. And many of those associates are here today to experience what we call our proprietary and curated Leela Palace services. The response to the IPO has been great, so thank you all, especially our colleagues and friends who have placed their faith and trust on us. This response not only underlines the strength of the brand, but also recognizes the resilience of our business and the immense potential that lies ahead of all of us in terms of given where we are in this life stage of our journey, as well as what's happening to the luxury hospitality across India and across the world. Our biggest moat has always been singular focus. And a lot of you have been asking, what's the secret sauce? And I tell you, it's only been something that we know we need to practice and continue always keep bettering ourselves. How to be the best versions of ourselves, how to create those amazing experiences for all our guests and all our stakeholders. We today have a strong asset base, a very strong pipeline, and as we speak today, we already are at various stages of development for 7 more exciting hotels, and many of our partners are represented here. Thank you here for being here for this today, as well as having faith and confidence in our abilities, as well as the belief that you are with the right partner who can take us forward to the next level. Our roadmap, I would say, is not ambitious and not just aspirational. It is something that we really believe. We are now entering, as we speak, into nuanced luxury markets. We are going to be in wildlife. We are going to be embracing luxury spiritual tourism with mindfulness. We are going to expand into luxury residences. We are going to get into the hills. We have 2 amazing hotels coming up in the hills as I speak. And also, we are going to expand our brand into brand extensions, launching a members-only club as well as Leela Luxury Residences. So there's a lot of work for all of us going on, and a lot of work yet waiting to unveil and happen for us. I think the tailwinds behind us are superlatively strong. The focus, the motivation, and the josh of the team is at an all-time high. And I think everybody has got used to, and I'm surrounded by my colleagues from Leela out here, everybody has got used to preparing and presenting and performing at a level which is literally an alpha to create alpha for our investors, partners, and all our stakeholders. So I really want to take this time out to thank everyone who's here in the room today, plus a lot of our colleagues who are watching this live streaming happening. I thank you all for your commitment, your passion, your pursuit of excellence, because this is what defines everything else. I'm sure you're going to lead it with renewed vigor, vitality, and excitement, not just for the brand, but also the belief that all our new stakeholders have put on us. So as I welcome our new shareholders, thank you for putting your faith and trust and belief on us. We are very responsible and mindful of the same and extremely excited by what lies ahead. So this is a great and historic moment. And I know I could have spoken longer. Anjali told me last minute you can take another couple of minutes. But initially I was given a minute and a half. So I'll end it at that. So thank you all for being here today. And as the day proceeds, I really look forward to this journey ahead with you. Thank you.
Nagar, thank you so much for reminding all of us of how amazing we are and how much more incredible we are going to get. In fact, it's time for us to capture the heart and spirit of the incredible journey that Mr. Bhatnagar just spoke about. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to invite all of you to experience the Leela brand film, which is a celebration of both the legacy of this brand and also what makes us so special. Let's watch. The Leela feeling. Wow. Without any further ado, let me invite Managing Partner, Head of Asia Pacific and Middle East Real Estate, Brookfield, Mr. Ankur Gupta, on the dais to share his thoughts with us. Welcome.
I'll be even quicker than a minute and a half. If I could request all of us to take a moment and with pride imagine the one good thing that India has given, which is truly remarked as the best in the world. That feeling of joy, that feeling of association, and that feeling of pride, and that feeling of belief in future is what Leela means. The one thing that may not occur to all of us today is the very fact that we are sitting in the NSE, which sits at the top of what is truly the best in the world, which is the Indian markets, the Indian economy, and the tailwinds behind it will have a very, very long terminal value to that growth. So thank you very much, Ashish ji, for giving us that opportunity. We are also joined by a lot of people who truly are the world's best coming out of India. I really want to thank Mr. Deepak Parekh for associating himself with us as the chair of our board and in the journey to guide this business forward under the tremendous decades and decades of experience that he brings to the table. Thank you very much, Mr. Parekh. I'd also like to say a lot of things are said about the fragrance, the culture, the food, the cuisine, the mindfulness. What truly stands in Leela is one word, which is India, which is Bharat. It stands for India. It is truly India's answer to luxury brands beyond hospitality, that India truly believes, a culture that spans 5,000 years, that still remains rooted over the course of so many changes that have happened in India. And I have to quote Mr. Gandhi, our father of the nation here, when he said, "I want the culture of all nations to blow by my house, but I refuse to be swept off my feet by any one of them." Let's stay close to India. This is the celebration truly of what Leela is, but more importantly, of what India is and will be in world's order. 'order, in times to come. Thank you very much.
Mr. Gupta, thank you so much. Couldn't have been said in better words. I'd now like to invite Managing Director and CEO NSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, to please join me on the dais, share a few words on this occasion as we're inching closer to the moment. Welcome, sir.
Shri Deepak Parekh, Chairman and Independent Director, SCLOS Bangalore Limited, Shri Anurag Bhatnagar, Whole-Time Director and CEO, Shri Ankur Gupta, Managing Partner, Brookfield, Shri Vishal Kampani, JM Financial, Shri V. Jaishankar, Kotak Investment Banking, Board members, distinguished guests, employees, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of SCLOS Bangalore Limited. NSE is proud to welcome SCLOS Bangalore, or the Leela, in our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 2,735th company to list with us. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world in terms of market capitalization. Market capitalization of NSE listed companies has grown over 122 times in rupee terms since NSE started operations in 1994. It stands now at 442 lakh crore, or US dollar 5.2 trillion. And from today onwards, SCLOS Bangalore will be an integral part of it. In 30 years, NSE has had a remarkable journey of enabling a fair, efficient and transparent capital markets ecosystem and being a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth, capital formation, wealth creation and job creation. NSE now has over 11.3 crore unique investors with over 22 crore accounts, spanning 99.9% of all PIN codes in the country, barring just 28. With over 1/5 of all households now directly investing in stock markets today. In financial year 25, NSE facilitated 242 IPOs, mobilizing 1.7 lakh crore or 20 billion US dollars. This marks the highest number of IPOs recorded in any financial year, demonstrating the growing confidence of investors in India's capital markets. I congratulate the entire team of SCLOS Bangalore, the merchant bankers JM, BofA Securities, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Kotak Mahindra, Axis Capital, Citigroup, IIFL Capital Services, ICICI Securities, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors, SBI Capital Markets, legal advisors, Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, PR agency Adfactors, and everyone else associated in this listing for this accomplishment. At NSE, we are committed to facilitating fundraising opportunities and making capital markets more accessible for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories. We hope that today's successful listing of SCLOS Bangalore on NSE will inspire many more companies to list with us. This listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us. NSE looks forward to support SCLOS Bangalore in their future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Ashish sir, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us and really telling us in a nutshell where we stand. Thank you very much, sir. As you can see, sir is still with me because now we're going to commemorate the significance of this event through an exchange of mementos. I'd like to invite Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar to please join me on stage as we commence with the mementos that NSE will be presenting today. Shri Chauhanji will be presenting the NSE memento, which, as you can see, is the iconic bell to begin with. What we will be handing over next to Mr. Bhatnagar is a box of proud to be listed badges. Let's keep the claps going, everybody. This is all leading up. And what Shri Chauhan is presenting next is The Coffee Table Book by NSC. Anurag sir, thank you so much. I request you to kindly take your seat. I will be inviting you a little later back to the stage. And now NSC will be presenting mementos to, let's begin with Mr. Vishal of JM Financial Limited. Yes, Mr. Kampani, requesting you and your team to please join us on stage. In mind that we are inching closer to the bell ringing ceremony with every passing second, I'll go ahead and invite the next team to please step forward and be on standby. Team from BofA Securities India Limited. Thank you once again. Joining us now on stage is the team from BofA Securities India Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause for this wonderful team who's partnered with us. And I'd like to invite forward Mr. Kamal Yadav, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, who I see is here with this team as well. Welcome, sir. Round of applause for Mr. Yadav and his team of Morgan Stanley India. And up next, I'd like to invite the team from JP Morgan India Private Limited. We are nearly 6 minutes away from the bell ringing ceremony, adding to the meaning and the significance of this morning, inviting on stage Mr. Jayashankar. So requesting you to please join us. Mr. Jayashankar is here with his team at the Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Inviting the team from Axis Capital Limited to please join us near the stage. In the room with us. Let's invite the team from Citigroup Global Markets India. All right, I believe they're not here either. Let's invite the team from IIFL Securities Limited. Do we have a representative? Yes, sir. Please join us. Round of applause for our incredible banking partners, team from ICICI Securities Limited. Let's do a quick check. Are you here with us in the room? Okay, I believe they're not here either. Let's invite the team from Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. All right, not with us in the room. Team from SBI Capital Markets Limited. There you are, sir. Please join us. Inviting forward the team from Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas and Company. Welcome. Let's have a big round of applause for this amazing team walking up on stage from Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas and Company. Also inviting Mr. Rajesh Chaturvedi of Adfactors. So please join us on stage. our partners, Team Ad Factors, are on stage. Let's give it up for them. My dear Leela family, can I hear the claps going? And it's time for the bell ringing ceremony. I'd like to invite Shankar, Mr. Shank Kothari, Miss Ananya Tripathi, Dr. Harish Ahuja of NSC, requesting all our dignitaries to join us on stage. We are minutes away, seconds away, in fact, as you can see, 50 seconds on the clock. Now, I'm not going to do this alone. You all are going to join me, and we're going to count down the final 10 seconds all together. Love the enthusiasm. Sir, sahi kiya aapne bilkul. Why not, right? Please feel free to rise. And I must say, we have been a very, very well-behaved group of people. But when the bell rings, you can also make a lot of noise, okay? Come on. With me on that? Okay. 20 seconds to go. And, ladies and gentlemen, all right, may I request you all to take your seat? We can still have enthusiasm. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations to all of us in the room. The Leela is now officially listed on the NSE. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Come on. Once more. Thunderous round of applause. Make some noise. This is your moment. We have officially entered into a brand new beginning. Thank you so much to all our dignitaries on stage. I request you to please take your seat. Anurag sir and Mr. Ravi Shankar, you can stay with me on stage. This is the moment where we will be handing out special mementos on behalf of the Leela to the representatives, our dedicated partners, whose contributions have been absolutely invaluable to the successful listing of our company. Inviting Mr. Vishal Kampani. Mr. Kampani, sir, I'm going to redirect you to the stage and join us to receive this very special memento. Let's invite the team from Bofors Securities India Limited. Please join us to receive this special memento. I'd like to invite forward the team from Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited. Team from Morgan Stanley, please join us on stage. Inviting forward the team from JP Morgan India. Yes. luxury and excitement certainly fills the air, but so should the applause, everyone. We're literally in the last few minutes of the ceremony. We have a gentleman from JP Morgan, India. Mr. Jay Shankar of Kotak Mahindra Capital with his team. Please join us. I'd like to invite forward the team from Axis Capital. Team Axis Capital, are you with us in the room? And let's welcome them with a warm round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Inviting forward Mr. Rajesh Chaturvedi, Mr. Madan Bahal, and the entire team from Ad Factors. Please join us here. Thank you for your incredible partnership. Also inviting forward the team from KFin Technologies Limited. Thank you very much. Our partners from KFin Technologies, gentlemen, please make your way to the stage. Let's have a big round of applause for KFin Technologies. Gentlemen, thank you so much for doing the honors. Please take your seat. Anurag sir, Ravi sir, many congratulations. Fantastic. Thank you so much. I'd like to invite Mr. B. Jay Shankar, Managing Director at Kotak Investment Banking. Please join us for the vote of thanks. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, friends. On behalf of the Board of Directors of Schloss Bangalore Limited, Brookfield, the management team and the BRMs to the IPO, I would like to thank this wonderful audience that is gathered here today to witness this historic listing. As Ankur said, looking at the amazing ambience at this incredible institution, I would like to thank National Stock Exchange and Mr. Ashish Chavan for being a gracious host today. I'd like to emphasize that it's an honor for us at Kotak to partner with Brookfield, one of the world's largest alternate asset managers, and the Leela, more popularly, also known as Schloss Bangalore, for this IPO. The IPO of Leela of size 3,500 crores is the largest ever IPO in the Indian hospitality sector. There is a shortage of quality hospitality paper in the listed space, and the Leela, which is one of India's most iconic luxury brand, fills part of this shortage. The Leela has become synonymous with timeless elegance, world-class service, and exceptional guest experiences. The Leela's leadership in the luxury hospitality space exemplifies Brookfield's deep commitment and a visionary board's strong guidance. In fact, we are privileged to have Mr. Deepak Parekh amidst us and also address us a little earlier. We'd like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Brookfield, led by Mr. Ankur Gupta, along with his team members Ananya, Ashank, Isha, and Shailendra, and a similar heartfelt gratitude to an exceptional management team led by Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar and Mr. Ravi Shankar for entrusting us with the opportunity to be part of this spectacular IPO journey. We extend our sincere appreciation to all our fellow book running lead managers, legal counsels, auditors, registrars, bankers, and ad agency, as well as every other intermediary involved in the collaboration and support that came towards making this issue a success. Finally, I would also like to thank the incoming investors. We had a wide breadth of investors, particularly from the institutional investors, both the leading mutual funds and the leading FIIs, and we welcome them heartily into the cap table of the Leela. I would once again extend our warmest congratulations to the Leela team as it embarks on its journey of being a listed company. We wish you continued success, and we look forward to you scaling even greater heights in the years to come. Thank you.
Jai Shankar, thank you for saying all this gratitude on behalf of all of us in the room. Well, this is a moment that's not really on the agenda because it's a surprise moment. We're living in the Instagram world, and I seriously hope all of you have got your best selfies of the morning. But us at NSE, we've not forgotten to capture the iconic bell ringing moment. I'd like to invite on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Mr. Deepak Parekh, Anurag sir, Mr. Ravi Shankar. Please join us on stage because this is where, on behalf of NSE, we present the moment of the listing of the bell ringing, captured in this beautiful frame on behalf of NSE to the Leela. A moment captured and preserved in this frame forever, quite instantly. Thank you so much, Ashish ji. Thank you very much. Mr. Parekh seems to be confirming that he's been captured well. The right profile. Mr. Parekh, do you approve, sir? Do you approve? Approve. Okay, fantastic. It's definitely going on the desk. Wow. What a beautiful morning this has been, right? We are so grateful to our host NSE, members of the board, the new shareholders, friends of the Leela family, well-wishers, and everyone else, all our viewers who took the time out and joined us here and became a part of this historical moment and occasion. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We invite you now, of course, to join us for refreshments, but I must also remind you that after you've had your refreshments and while you're on your way out, we have a very special gift for each and every one of you, which beautifully captures the essence of the brand. It's a box of incense sticks crafted from the upcycled flowers that are gathered across the Leela hotels, delicately infused with Tisha by the Leela, which is the brand signature fragrance inspired by a national flower, of course, the lotus, and the Nilgiri flower, which shows up once in every 12 years. You have been noticing the notes of Tisha? Well, we'd like for you to take them home and experience them yourself. Also inviting you to experience Ojasya by the Leela, the brand signature wellness program, which literally means the vigor of life. It's all about mindful indulgence meets nourishment with joy. So please join us for refreshments, ladies and gentlemen. Every sense is going to be having an experience later today, of course. And this is where I, Xenia Fernandez, your host for this morning, say thank you. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for making this so much more enjoyable. And thank you for this experience. And many congratulations to each and every one of you in the room. Yes, the stage is now all set for you to capture your memories as well and put them in your personal frames. So please feel free to use the atrium for your photographs as well. Thank you once again and have a phenomenal day ahead.